How to create Dreamy Glow effect in Premiere Pro. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your existing layer, your existing video clip twice, so that you have 3 in total. So the bottom one is going to stay the same. You're actually going to make the edits to the top too. So what you want to do is you want to search directional blur in the effects panel, and you want to apply it to both. Now you want to select on one of them, go to the effects control panel, and set the direction as 45, and the blur length is up to you. Now, you want to go to the other layer and set the same blur length, and the direction you want it to be -45 or the opposite of the other one. So one is going to be 45, one's going to be -45. Now you want to go to blend mode and set them both as screen. So right there, we essentially have our effect. Follow for more video tips.